Now, let's make the tail. Each cat has one tail. The tail is made by starting with a magic ring. We will use the pink cat as a demo. Take out the white yarn. Since the white yarn will be hard to see, we will use gray yarn for the demo. Please focus on the stitches and ignore the yarn colors. Take out the white yarn. First, hold the yarn on hand. Next, make a magic ring. A magic ring is formed on middle finger. Then crochet a chain stitch to secure the magic ring. In the first round, crochet single crochet into the magic ring. The first single crochet. Mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Six single crochet are done. From the side, you can see 6 V shapes. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the magic ring. Make sure there are no gaps in the center. Next, crochet a slip stitch. The first round is completed. For round 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increased stitch as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 3 times. There will be a total of 9 stitches. For the first sequence, crochet 1 single crochet first. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. Then crochet 1 increased stitch. The first sequence is completed. From the side, you can see 3 V shapes. For the second sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. For the third sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Then crochet and increase stitch. Three sequences are completed. Please count carefully, there are 9 stitches in total. Finally, make 1 slip stitch. The second round is completed. If the middle loop loosens, pull the yarn tail to tighten it. For the third round, start by making 1 chain stitch. Next, crochet 9 single crochet, the first one. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. Nine single crochet are done. Be sure to count carefully, there should be 9 stitches total. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. The third round is finished. For the fourth round, we will change the yarn. Take out the corresponding yarn. Hold it onto your hand. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Hold the yarn tail, fabric and white working yarn all together. The methods for crocheting rounds 4 through 6 are the same. The fourth round. 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 9 single crochet. the first single crochet. Pull the pink yarn tail in the white working yarn. Tighten them and tuck them into the fabric, holding everything together. The first single crochet is completed. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. The seventh one. The eighth one. The ninth one. Nine single crochet are done. Please count carefully, there should be 9 stitches total. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. The fourth round is completed. Remove the crochet hook. Tighten the pink yarn tail together with the gray working yarn. Tighten these 2 stitches and then tie a knot. This helps prevent the yarns from loosening. Next, cut the white working yarn. Tuck all the extra yarn tails inside the fabric. Now let's learn how to change yarn colors. We need to change the yarn at the stitch marked with the yellow stitch marker, so stop crocheting when there is still 1 stitch left, before the stitch marker. Preparing for color change. Insert the crochet hook under the top horizontal V shape. Pull the yarn through the insertion point with the crochet hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. This is an incomplete single crochet. In this state, change the yarn. Release the yarn in your hand. Take out the yellow yarn. Place the yellow yarn on the crochet hook like this. Pinch the yellow yarn below the crochet hook with your thumb and index finger. Use the crochet hook to catch the yellow yarn. Drag the yarn through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. Now there is 1 yellow loop remaining on the crochet hook. This completes the color change. We will find that the blue loop below is very loose. Find the blue yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail to tighten it. Then pull the yellow yarn. Tighten the yellow loop on the crochet hook. Here is the end of the yarn where we cut it. Ensure the length is at least 3 to 4 inches. Extend the yarn end. Hold the yarn on your hand. Wrap the yarn around the little finger. Pass it through the palm, between the middle and index fingers. Hang it over the index finger. Pinch the yarn tail below with the thumb and middle finger. Place the yellow and blue yarns on the back of the fabric. Ensure the front side of the fabric is facing us. Next, continue crocheting single crochet with the yellow yarn. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook into the stitch. Then place the yellow and blue yarns on top of the crochet hook. We can hide the yarn while securing it. Now there are 5 loops on the crochet hook. Use the crochet hook to pull the yellow yarn through the first 4 loops on the hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Use the crochet hook to pull the yellow yarn through the 2 loops on the hook again. Now there is 1 loop remaining on the crochet hook. A single crochet is completed. If the horizontal V shape at the top of the yellow yarn is too large, you can pull the yellow yarn tail below to tighten it. We will demonstrate it in detail once more. Insert the crochet hook through the stitch position. Now there are 5 loops on the crochet hook. Place these 2 yarn ends above the crochet hook. This is to hide the yarn, making the yarn tail more secure, and also to prevent these 2 strands from interfering with our crocheting. Weave in the yarn tail for at least 3 to 4 stitches. You can also weave in a few more stitches. Pull the yellow yarn through the position of the crochet hook. Now there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. We have already woven in 4 stitches. If you do not want to continue weaving in the yarn, you can tighten the yellow yarn. Then cut off the excess yarn tail. For the blue yarn, if it will be used in the subsequent crocheting. If you will continue to change yarns, you can leave it uncut. If it is no longer needed, you can also cut it off directly. We weave in a few more stitches. The blue yarn can be set aside. We have completed crocheting the top blue V-shaped stitches. The top is now left with yellow V-shaped stitches. This indicates that a full round of color change is complete. Now we will crochet a few more stitches. As you can see, after the color change is completed, there will be a step here. This is an unavoidable situation when changing yarn in spiral crochet. Insert the crochet hook back into the loop. Hold the yarn. The crochet methods from round 5 to round 6 are the same. Please follow the same steps to crochet them on your own. Round 6 is completed. Remove the crochet hook. Stuff a small amount of cotton. Use the crochet hook handle to assist. Keep crocheting. For round 7, start by making 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as one sequence. Repeat the sequence 3 times. There will be a total of 6 stitches. For the first sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. Next, crochet a decrease stitch. The first sequence is completed. For the second sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Next, crochet a decrease stitch. For the third sequence, start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Then crochet a decrease stitch. Three sequences are completed. Be sure to count and confirm there are 6 stitches in total. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. Round 7 is completed. The crochet methods from round 8 to round 9 are the same. Let's work on round 8. First, crochet 1 chain stitch. Then, crochet 6 single crochet. The first single crochet. Remove the stitch marker and mark the first stitch. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. Six single crochet are finished. There are 6 stitches in total. Finally, crochet a slip stitch. Round 8 is completed. For round 9, please crochet it on your own following the same method. Round 9 is completed. Leave an 8-inch yarn tail for sewing and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail through. Remove the stitch marker. Next, take a quarter of a pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Insert the thin end of the pipe cleaner inside the tail. The tail part is now finished.